Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me today for another demonstration. We're going to be using our Elements inks and our Multifarious card along with some of our lovely stencil brushes to create a background, a nice colourful background for some flowers. So starting with our hill mask, I'm going to pop that down at a little bit of an angle, and then taking our blue lagoon and then just brushing in circles all the way across those hills like so. And then I'm going to use Mermaid so we're going with blues and greens today. So now I'm moving over to pine. And bringing in some of that lovely green. And then we'll go back to the blue lagoon. I'm just building up a nice depth of colour. Just take your time, you're not in any rush. And because it's more of a sort of night scene, I might just bring in a hint of the Sundance, some of the yellow as well, just to give it a sort of moonlight glow. There we go, that's looking more like it now. I'm going to dry this off. And then I'm going to run the anti-static bag over the top because I am going to be embossing. Give that a good coverage. So let's stamp a few trees first. And I'm going to use the black because it's against a very dark background. So I'm going to mask off and just pop that down, and the other one next to it. Like so. And then down here I'm just going to slowly build up some lovely foliage. We've got medieval blue, so I'm going to start with that, which is a lovely purpley blue. And let's pop that down like so. And this time, let's do a lighter one. So ink up, take off. Let's put one down there. We're going to bring in a little bit of the glamorous with a mini foliage stamp. And against the blue it has actually come out quite purple. This time I'm inking up in Warm Breeze. I'm going to pop a few of those around as well. Just something a little bit different. And now we're going to do some embossing with some of our Lunar Buds. So taking the Versamark, I'm going to just tap that very lightly. Let's just pop some in the corner here as well. And let's go over with the white and see what we have. I need to brush off some of this white that's attached itself to the stamp, even though we've gone over with the anti-static. I think we're good to go on that. It's great how the embossing powders have worked with the stamp's details so well. It really has picked all that lovely detail up. So just to blend that in now, I'm going to use Posca pen. And I'm just going to draw in a few little squiggly lines. Got our yellow Posca pen. I'm just going to pop a few dots about. So lastly, I'm going to bring in a little bit of depth again down here. I just feel like it's a bit too stark in this corner. So I'm going back to Mermaid and I'm going to just take that over the top. I don't want to cover the whole thing. So I think we need just a little moon now. I'm going to take my pastels, my pan pastels, and let's just do a little moon up here. And there we go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's demo, guys. Something a little bit different again, using the embossing powders. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves.